So you are thinking about how to get the next viral video on YouTube, how to get thousands of views as a new channel, and to be honest, I have no idea. But I'm a data scientist, and what data people like to do is analyze data to solve a problem. So the problem here is that nobody watched my video. Not even my son watched them. So what can I do? That's easy, right? I'm going to create a fully automated software that dynamically extracts, collects, and analyzes data flows in real time, delivering a multidimensional predictive analytics report to reverse engineer the algorithm saturation threshold of viral content, which is just blah 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 bullshit. I simply go to spend a couple of hours working with my robot, whose name by the way is Arti, so we can create a simple script to analyze data from YouTube. My role here is to be the visionary, the supreme leader who knows the way to get things done. So I'll be the project manager. And as a project manager, the most important thing is to manage and control the project structure, right? This is why the first thing to do is define my project structure. So this is going to be a simple project. So I hope I can get this live in a week maximum. So the project is going to be structured in three main phases. The first phase is core engine development. But what is this? This is the brain of the operation. We are going to build a high-performance Python script that taps into the YouTube API, extracts raw data, and isolate the statistical outliers. That's right, I do not understand that shit either. In simple words, this is the script that collects the data from YouTube and calculates the most viral ones. That's it. So the second phase is the deployment and web interface development. This is a very clear, right? Arti will design the website and integrate the script. That's it. And the third phase is going to be marketing and traction. And the third phase is my favorite one actually, is marketing. I promote my new website to get some traffic and see if people test my tool. That's it, as simple as that. So let's go with Arti now to start pushing him to make this project quickly. I like to use Gemini. I know everybody is on the cloud train now, thinking cloud is the best and blah 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 blah. To be honest, I don't care. I like my Arti. So that's it. Now I know you might think I have a super prompt to get my project done better, efficiently, use my tokens and blah blah blah. But no, I have tested those well-structured prompts and it's just a waste of time. At the beginning everything goes smoothly, but then some errors appears and everything becomes just confused and become like a normal discussion. This is why I do not spend too much time on building the super prompt. I have found better results when I structure the project for myself and then I guide Arti to get things done the way I have defined. That's it. In every interaction with Arti, I try to request one task, clear and simple, and then jump to the next one. For example, in this project, I know I'm going to have a website interface in the next steps. So from the very beginning, I'm asking Arti to structure the core and the script in a modular way to easily escalate in the future. That's it. Here, Arti suggests a Streamlit to create a simple interface, but I have worked with the Streamlit in the past. It is very good for prototypes actually, but it's not good for escalating for a real website project. So because I know this based on my experience and I had defined my project structure at the very beginning for myself, I can guide Arti here. I request the project to be done in a way that easily connects with a website interface developed with TypeScript, CSS, and so on. So after a couple of sessions, discussion, frustration, hallucination, complaints, and even rebellions from Arti, I got close to what I'm looking for. The script delivers a report with outlier videos from YouTube channel. Here is how it works. I pass a YouTube channel using the URL or the handle from the channel, the nickname, the tag name, and the script automatically collects information from the videos, like the views, and calculate the most viral video from that specific channel. Here you can see what I get in my terminal. But I still want to improve some details because I know there are some tools in the market that already do this and detect that outlier video video from any channels. So I need to go further and try to compete with something better. I want my script to detect real outlier videos and not pull videos that are too old, because that information does not help me or any YouTuber in YouTube. A good video idea from like 3 years ago when we were in the pandemic, for example, does not work now. So it doesn't drive data that can really help a YouTuber in anything. Another detail I want to add is a problems or opportunities detector in my report. So the script needs to analyze some key information from the channels and show me insights based on real problems of my favorite YouTuber. This is high value information because those problems are opportunities to compete for myself as a YouTuber creator. So I start pushing Arti, and you know, Arti go angry, destroy everything, and then finally we got our final result. I like these results, this is just perfect to me. Take a look at my final report. I get the outlier videos from the channel classified into 3 main groups: high viral videos, medium and low viral. I also get some insights based on my problems detected from the channel, so I can use these ideas to develop my content strategy better. As you have been seeing, this project has not been made in one single day. In my spreadsheet, you can see that I have made 4 sessions for a total amount of 12 hours to get the first phase done. And I have to say that this project will, before the AI era, probably will have taken 2 to 3 weeks of coding. So this is the most important advantage of AI development today. In the next video, I will continue with the final result of the project, and I will show you real data results. And I have to say that this is not a fake project that I made here just to get some views. Not at all. This is a real personal project that I want to test to see if I can get good traction and keep escalating it into a real service. So let's see what happens. No? So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Duan Fruto, and see you next time.